Welcome to the gold update. All right, guys. So gold, as I told you guys yesterday, after hitting this 1 hour resistance from the past, it turned into polarity. The second test here, it was already really big, 3.4%. And we are now attacking the 4 hour untested candle here. We also have polarity on a 1 hour here. And if we break up this polarity, guys, well, we already did, honestly. On a 1 hour, we open and close a 1 hour above that polarity. We already did it on the not on the 4, sorry. We went to the 4 there, and if we actually hold this 4 and polarity, if we hold it down, we can see the price coming down to this range or to the 4 hour untested candle here. If we break up this polarity, we can easily have a big move up because it's a polarity level. We can have a big move up and maybe go into the 1 hour inside that 4 untested, right? So we have the 4 here, and inside that 4 we have a 1 hour untested candle. I'm not really sure if we are going to the body or to the wick, but what I really like is the 4 hour polarity level here. I believe this is a really good polarity level. This 1 hour is kind of just top of the move, right? It might not even go there, rejects this polarity, and it's actually just a little above the trend, so we can actually not breaking the trend, but go in there really fast, reject that polarity, and that 1 hour, maybe just one of them, breaks down and keeps this 4 hour range downtrend. Okay, we broke the 1 hour range downtrend here, right? We backtest that. It went on greedier level. Well, maybe the 4 hour backside here, it was the one that hold, right? This is a really big volley, so the 4 hour backside here probably got, or maybe even a lower time frame. Yeah, maybe a 15 year created a base of the range, of this range, right? Okay, this 15 minute, it's all it 2 or 3 times, so it's probably the base here, not even that 4 hour from the past, but it's not really important. We are really trying to break up, right? So what levels on the top we can still hold down, okay? We have a 4 hour untested candle here and a 4 hour untested candle here, okay? What I don't like about these 4 hours is that if we go there, we are breaking this big range, and if we break this big volume range, we also break polarity, right? And the price can easily break all those levels and just go to a higher level above that. On the daily, as I said before, every daily candle here is tested unless the body of this daily resistant candle, right? But it's probably not going to be the body of that daily that is going to hold. It can, but it's probably going to a greedier level, okay? If it doesn't, if it actually rejects the body of this daily with this trend and we don't go there, the price might turn really bearish because it's kind of failing to attack the greedier levels, right? When we hold a higher time frame, it normally means that we are failing to go to the greedier levels, and it normally goes to on the opposite side. So I believe I talked about the levels that I wanted on higher time frames. I can go to the 1 hour to this range to actually try to understand what happened here. So we had yesterday we had this 1 hour as a possible resistance after testing that polarity. So it's kind of, I don't want to say 100% sure we are going to break up, okay? But we can easily break up. It was tested here. We have already a little rejection on that polarity again. We don't need this as backside anymore. And let me see, we might have a range uptrend here from the bottom here to this one, and this one breaks. Okay, this might be a good range uptrend, maybe more a controller trend. Yeah, it's kind of not that good on a 15, not that good on a 15. Yeah, but we are clearly laddering up, so we probably don't need this trend unless we come down to the levels here, right? Let me see. 1 hour. 1 hour is tested. The week is tested. We still have this 1 hour and this 1 hour, okay? This one is inside this bigger one. This is the backside. This is the greedier level. I can actually mark both of them. And actually the trend might be good, but let me see on the 15 if we find out something here. The one that breaks here. Okay, this 15 might be good. We can keep both of them. I don't want to, because I rather wait for one of these 1 hour to hold. Well, maybe even the 15 here can hold it actually. Because from this point here, we are laddering from a 15-minute candle, right? So it's perfectly normal to be a 15 to hold it if we actually break down, okay guys, it's just to understand if we actually break down. Okay, even this 4 hour, it's kind of not tested. The this candle this week here just dives and crosses the body on the wick. It doesn't even create a ladder here, so we can easily go to this 4 hour and test it candle, maybe the wick, maybe the body, or even to the base on the 15 here and creates a polarity level here. Okay, it's just 0 point something. Oh well, almost 1%. So in the future we can create this 15, or on a higher time frame, maybe on a 1 hour, a polarity level here. Okay, or even maybe from this point, because this one was actually when we start to break that level, right? It was the first one that tried to break. So after not the first one, sorry, the one that broke the 1 hour here as a resistance. Okay guys, so every level I have it here. I'm not really sure we are going to break up. Okay, I want to see the reaction on the daily, on the and on a 4 hour downtrend here, and also if we are going to the polarity levels or maybe even higher on this range, and see if we are actually going to break down or break up. Okay, so see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much.